Papa.
Ashton, look how cute. They love you.
You got her. Set her down gently. Deirdre, get up. Look how cute.
Andrew, there's one over there that went up in the garage.
Hey, Ashton, leave her. Leave her. Oh, this is really cute.
Andrew, can you go get the one that's over?
Set him down.
Andrew, over there by the
I'll go
truck.
get him.
This one's so cute.
Which one?
Female too.
I know. Look at that little one. Look at that. Get him. Get.
Oh. Where's 3 Dot? Oh, there's 3 Dot. That's good. They're listening to the whistle.
Oh, those are puppies. Hi. Hi, cutie. Deirdre, this is the one. Get this one because that's the one we're waiting for the deposit. Ashton.
Did you?